Hey guys, what's up? So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to rent a super cheap apartment with a very low deposit or no deposit at all here in Seoul, South Korea. So let's go. Okay, before I give you the details, I want to show you that apartment. That's the apartment where I used to live before. $350 a month, no security deposit. All the utility bills were included except the electricity bill, and I remember which was never higher than $10. I used to pay like $7 or $8 a month. And don't get me wrong, this room was pretty spacious as compared to my room right now. And you could see in the picture there, like 8 of my friends are visiting me, and we were actually having Mongolian vodka party. Have you ever tried Mongolian vodka? Please don't drink it, it's bad. Now, how do you get to find such a cheap or nice apartment? See, there are many ways to which you can find houses in Korea. For example, Craigslist, there are real estate agents, there are Facebook pages which help foreigners to find nice and good apartments. The problem with that is those apartments are sometimes a little bit pricey and which might not fit with your budget. Often these apartments looks really nice in the picture, they look huge, but when you get there, you're like, what the? My suggestion would be try to find a house or an apartment around or nearby a university. The reason why I say that is because apartments or houses built around universities are built for students or for people who are just staying there for a short period of time. Not just that, but also the supermarkets, the restaurants around these areas are really cheap. Also, the transportation is really convenient as well. To find a house around these areas, you don't need anybody. What you do is just directly go to the building because these buildings are just clustered everywhere. So you'll just go, you'll see a number at the bottom or the main gate of this building which says 방 있어요 or one room 있어요. That means room available. Call the owner, tell that I want to see the apartment, ask the price and everything. If you like it, take it. Otherwise, you can just go to the next apartment. Very simple. Now, you might say, Sharoona, I don't speak Korean. How can I talk to the owner? Yes, that could be an issue. So what you can do is for the first month when you come here, just take an apartment or house through the agent or some website or something. But in that meanwhile, while you're staying there for a month, what you could do is make a friend who is Korean, who can speak Korean, go with that friend for one day. It doesn't take a long time because all these houses are just around everywhere, right? So you can take that friend's help, call the owner, directly make an arrangements. You don't need to pay extra fee, anything. Sometimes you can even, make a deal. I know there are people, I had an experience where I was with my friend and I was trying to help her find a house and she didn't have a security deposit that was of $1,000 and she actually talked to the owner like, I don't have $1,000 to pay for security deposit, and the owner actually accepted. He said, okay, if you don't have it, you don't have to pay. So that is also possible. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If you have further questions or comments, please do let me know in the comment section below. And please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, smile. Peace.